The first thing that comes to mind when you hear about dictionaries is the Oxford Dictionary, where you just look up for the meaning of a particular words. So you can imagine how this dictionary in Python is also going to work. A dictionary is a collection of words along with their meaning or a simpler explanation. At a broader level, you can call a dictionary a mapping of words with their synonyms or meaning. Let's see the practicals of dictionary and we will understand it in a better way. So a dictionary can be created by using this particular brackets. So what we can do here, I can just use this curly braces, as you can see this kind of braces. So when you use this, that means we are talking about dictionary here. So if I'm creating an empty dictionary here and if I print the type of it, it's going to return me of type dictionary. Let me mark all of these things as clear so that I can show you again running all these things. So if I execute this, you can see that it is going to be a dictionary. I'm also creating another dictionary where I have kept it into a variable d, and in this you can see that I have kept multiple basically meanings here, like actor is Amir, animal is cat, earth value is 2, and there is a list also being involved. Let's execute it. Now this is going to be a dictionary. If I want to see the value of this actor, so I can do it with the help of simply saying d and assessing it with the value vector. So this first portion is also called as key and this portion is also called as value. Okay. So I just put the value of key and it is going to return me value. So it is going to return in this case Amir. So let's see this execution. So you can see here it is returning me Amir. Similarly, if I say d of animal, it is going to return me the value of animal, which is going to be cat. Similarly, if I say d of get of list, because I want to get a list from here, it is going to return me a list. Let's say maybe this list is age of 3 different people, maybe 12, 32, 12. And similarly, if I say for profession, now one thing, if the value do not exist, like if I say profession comma NA, it means that if the profession value, the key profession do not exist, then return NA value for it. See this. So right now this profession do not exist. So it is going to return me an NA value out of it. Similarly, if I want to change the value of earth, if you remember earlier my value of earth was 2. Now I want to change it to let's say 36. So I can easily do it with this assignment operator and you can see now the earth value is showing up as 36. You want to add let's say a new key value pair into my dictionary D. I can do it with just saying D, my key which is profession, and let's say I want to add a profession called as singer. So it is going to add a profession singer now for me. If you remember last time when I was trying to get this profession, it was returning me NA because we have put that. But here if I say profession in D, it is going to return me that it exists. And if I see the value of it, you will notice that it will return you the value singer. Now, if you want to print, let's say all the keys available in your, basically in your dictionary, or you want to print all the values present inside a dictionary, what you can do is you can just say d of keys, d of keys. D of keys is going to return you all the key value, or only the key which is present inside D. And dot values is going to return all the values which is going to be presented in. Let's execute and see this output. So you can see here all the profession, actor, animal, earth list. These were my keys. And singer, Amir, cat, 36 and this list was my values. So that is what it is returning. Now let's say I want to add a new list and maybe in this list I'm just adding that for a singer let's say called as Sunny Singh and he have sing some song like Blue Eyes and Night Party and so on. So it is going to create a dictionary called as new, and this is going to work out for me. Now if I say d dot update new, just notice what it's going to do with my d. You can see it here. It have just basically added up this value. You can see that this country key, which is my Honey Singh, it is putting my value Honey Singh here, and his songs are also coming up, and even the values which were present in D also is available. So kind of it's giving you both. If you want to delete something specific, so you can just say del, which means delete method, and it's going to delete for a particular key which is songs. And if you now print up the values, you can see that songs key is no more available in this output. If you want to check that how many total key value pair you have in a particular dictionary, you can use this method called as len. Len means length function. Now, similarly to that, if you want to list all the values present inside a dictionary, then you can just say that I want to print all, so I will use basically in that case d dot values portion for it. So it's going to print me all the basically values for it. So you can see Honey Singh, list, singer, all these were values. So it's going to keep on printing. We have already seen this as well. Similar, if I want to add, let's say for a value 6, see this is not an index now, okay? Remember, if I'm adding it d6, it doesn't mean I'm talking about index. What I'm trying to do is I'm going to create this value 6 as a key and Teklov comma 22 as my value. See this output. If you look here, it is not something, it is not at all talking about any index, and it is adding 6 as key and this is as value. This is what I just explained you above. Now, sorry, let's go back. Now, similar way, if you want to print out all the keys for it, you can just say d dot keys and it is going to list out all the keys for you. You want to print all the key value pair with respect to your basically a for loop, you can do that easily. D dot items is going to return you even the keys and value both. So that's the reason it is going to collect in A your key and B your values, and you can print A and B respectively. So this is how you can work with respect to your dictionaries in